In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your header transparent in Wix Studio. This process is perfect for creating a sleek modern design that allows your website's top section to shine through in a seamless overlay effect. Let's get started. First, head over to Wix.com. Once you're there, open your specific project in the Wix Studio editor. Once your project is open, go ahead and click on your header, which is the top section of your website. Next, with the header selected, look to the right side of your screen and locate the inspector panel. Under the design tab, you'll find an option for background. Click on that. This brings up a color picker. To make the header transparent, drag the opacity slider all the way down to 0% or simply enter 0 manually. By doing this, you'll achieve a transparent effect, allowing whatever is behind your header to be visible. Now your header background should be completely transparent. This means any image or color in the top section will now prominently display through your header. Let's move on to some recommended but optional adjustments for a more polished look. Going further, you'll want to ensure your header stays in place above other sections as users scroll through your site. With the header still selected, go back to the inspector panel, navigate to position, and then set the z-index to a higher number, like 10. This number helps keep your header layered above any other elements on the page. Additionally, if you'd like your header to remain visible as you scroll, choose the Position Sticky option. With these changes, your header should stay nicely on top while remaining transparent throughout the scroll. Now, if the first section of your website appears to be cut off or set too low, you'll want to make it appear seamlessly behind the header. To do this, click on your first section, maybe your hero banner, and then go to the inspector, followed by layout and then spacing. Reduce the top margin or padding until it fits snugly under the transparent header. You can also right-click on the section and choose Move Section Up for a quick adjustment. Let's talk about enhancing text visibility. Sometimes your logo or menu text may blend into the background. You have a couple of options to make them stand out. First, select your text or menu and go to Design, then Text Effects, and add a shadow with an opacity of about 20-30%. Alternatively, add a shape, like a rectangle, over your header. Set a semi-transparent fill color, either black or white, with 10-20% opacity, and then send it to the back. This subtle overlay keeps everything readable while preserving the clean, transparent look. Finally, it's crucial to ensure your design looks just as great on mobile devices. Make sure to switch to mobile view using the top toolbar and check that the text remains legible. If adjustments are necessary, consider altering the header background opacity specifically for mobile or adding a solid color just for phones. You might prefer to keep the desktop header transparent and a solid color for clarity on mobile. With these steps, you'll have successfully created a transparent header in Wix Studio that's both modern and functional.